大家好，我家姐識咗一首歌啊，新歌啊，就係高登啊，要唔要聽下我家姐唱歌啊？好好聽嘅。家姐，咩啊？可唔可以唱高登啊？點解啊？你攞咗100分。我攞咗100分啊！我同你攞咗100分咁好啊！I was a girl, someone know. Ha! I'm a day. I was a queen that I made. I live so high. I take the time whenever I follow my way. How to make us smile when I make me smile and imposter. I get hiding now. I'm shining. We're full of pain. 'Cause we don't run out for a second. I guess we're full of pain. One ball of boys. One ball of boys. Now I'm shining like a diamond with a ball of bear. 'Cause we don't run out for a strongest with a ball of bear. 多謝家姐。點啊？好開心啊！下次再攞啦。好冇？好啊。唔該晒。